How to design your dream home. Step one, create a vision statement. So, a vision statement is very important, and you don't want to skip this step. As excited as you are about designing your dream home, I want you to slow down and write out 2 to 3 sentences about why you want to get this home built. And the way you come up with that vision statement is to explore two main ideas very deeply and ask yourself some questions. The first one is the purpose. What is the purpose for this home? Who is it going to serve? How is it going to be used? What it's going to be used for? How is the home going to function in the community? Most important thing in your vision statement is your priorities. So, what's most important to you? Those are your values. Those are your necessities, the things that you have to have in your home. So think about what's most valuable to you. Is it quiet time? Is it parties? Is it sneaking away to the basement to play pool? Like, what is the most important thing in your life? How is this home going to be used?